How to fix black skin on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max. For that, you need the USB cable. uh, Use your PC or your charger. If you charge your phone, then you can see, if you see the logo is comes, you can see my phone will be turned on. Let's see, here you can see my phone is turning on. But if this method is not working, for example, this method is not working for you, but in this case you need to use your button like volume up, volume down, and press or hold the power button. Let's try volume up, volume down, and press and hold the power button, and release your hand from your volume up or volume down button. Just keep pressing the power button. So keep pressing. So once logo comes, then release your hand and your phone will be restart short within short time. Let's see. Yeah, so the key is volume up, volume down, and press the whole your power button. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.